doing a repair on my paintball wing. Kind of big deal in it, but hey, I'm retired. So there was a huge gash right here from a prop cut underneath, and I cut a rectangular piece out that was bigger than the gash, and then I put little supports on the inside, so when I put my patch piece down, it doesn't fall down in there. It's really easy to do. I'm just hot glue those in, and then I actually pre-hinged this hatch on one side with tape, and then I'll take the epoxy deal and shoot all around those tabs and all around the edges and lay it down. I would use hot glue, but it starts drying before I can get all that done. But anyway, I'll epoxy that down and then tape over the whole thing. I got to replace one section of lights here, and then that just gets laid back down, and that'll take care of that. And then I got to address this problem. I got a big old gash in the leading edge too, but if you fix them right, they'll last longer. Not forever, but they'll last longer. See ya!